We begin our story 750 million years ago. The great supercontinent of Rodinia had begun to break up along a rift separating the ancestral foundations of North America from those of Antarctica and Australia. Between the rifted continents, new oceanic lithosphere formed from solidified magma and lava. Heat which had accumulated beneath the massive supercontinent of Rodinia expanded the underlying asthenosphere and caused the overlying plates to slide away from the thermally elevated bulge in the mantle. Diverging from the bulge, the western margin of ancestral North America subsided and sediment accumulated on the newly formed divergent continental margin. Because mountain building events had not affected this region since the assembly of Rodinia, by Paleozoic time, erosion and subsidence had reduced it to a vast plain, much of which was awash in shallow seas. Southwestern North America was near the equator at the time, and newly evolved reef-building organisms flourished in these clear tropical seas, in part because adjacent continental areas were near sea level and thus shed little rock-derived sediment to impede their growth. Such conditions promoted the deposition of limestone, much of which can be seen in the Grand Canyon, but some comprises the oldest sediment-derived rock in Southern California. Later metamorphosed to marble, displaced by faulting and largely denuded by erosion, today these rocks are exposed only locally and discontinuously across the Mojave and Sonoran deserts.